my harvest today, Wednesday, October 22nd. See, this is from the one plant. This one, two. Go, my casserole. A la Merlinda. Yun lang ako nakalabas. 3:30 na ng hapon. So, andito ako ngayon sa aking... Ayun o, yung kalabasa may bunga pa, malaki-laki na. Yung isa pinitas ko na yung nandito sa gilid yung dyan. Ito, tapos may isa pang baby pa. Ayan o. Ano siya, mahina na siyang lumaki. Hindi na siya mabilis lumaki ngayong malamig na. Ayan o, mga namumula na yung kalabasa ko. Tapos ayun sili, ang dami pa rin bunga o. Ayan o, hitik pa din sa bunga. Kahit malamig na. Itong tomatoes, marami pang bunga. Namumula na yung aking blueberry. Ayan o, mga blueberry. Dwarf blueberries yan. Ayan o, dami pang bunga ng tomatoes ko. Ito yung arugula ko o, ayan. Kaso yung natuyot na bunga, umano na, ayun o, bumuka nung naghawan ako dito sa mani. Yung peanuts ko, ayan, hindi pa siya pwedeng i-harvest. Kasi baby pa yung mga laman niya. Ayan o, yung mga sili ko, namumula na pati yung bunga niya, hindi pa siya masyadong hinog. Ayan o, yan ang gusto ko sana matikman yung aking peanuts. Ayan o, yung marami pang bunga yung mga kalabasa ko, namumula na. So, October 23, Thursday, ayan ang aking jutes na from bird's poop. Hindi ko to tinanim, ito patatas. Yan, may laman na yan. Ang tataba ng jutes eh, ayan o. Tapos, ayun, yung zucchini ko, namumula na din yung stripe na zucchini. Hinarvest ko na kahapon yung isang bunga. Last harvest na siguro. Marami pa siyang bunga na baby, kaya lang kinakain ng islag. So, inayaan ko na. Tapos kahapon nakapag-harvest ako ng 2 strawberries for the first time na tikman ko siya. Ang tamis-tamis so far. Ito yung talong ko, namumunga pa siya, kaya lang hindi na siya masyadong lumalaki yung bunga kasi ang lamig na, lalo sa gabi. Yung mga sili ko, ayan yung 3 nalipat ko na sa paso. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung magtuloy-tuloy ang bunga niyan. Ayan, asparagus kasi kanina nag-harvest ako ng aking parsley. Nilagay sa smoothie at sa casserole. Ito yan o, yun dun sa kabilang dulo bumagsak yung bakod kasi umulan ng umulan. Ayan ang nangyari sa lupa o, bumabagsak. Eh buti na lang dito, nilagyan ko siya ng malalaking bato. So lalagyan siya ng timber bukas, dadating yung maglalagay ng timber. I-estimatein kung ilang measurement. Ito na yung aking natapos gawin na bed garden ng garlic. Hindi ko pa yan napapantay kasi nga nagagawa pa ako dito ng bed garden. Medyo malalim nga to o. Pero okay lang kasi lalagyan ko naman yan ng garden soil eh. Ayan o. So isa pang another one bed garden dito sa area na to. So bali 3 bed garden ang gagawin ko. 3 doon, 2 kalahati pala kasi yung isa kalahati lang gawa ng bato. So ito, ilalagay ko yan sa ilalim dito, sa kabila. Kasi kulang nga yung garden soil na $200 eh. Yan o, $200 na yan lahat, yung garden soil na yan. Diyan ako natutuwa sa aking kalabasa na yan, parang watermelon, ang laki-laki. So far, hindi pa ako tapos sa aking bed garden na garlic. So ginagawa ko talaga, nakalubog yung bed garden, hindi nakalitaw kasi para hindi siya aagos. Para hindi ako maglalagay ng mga harang-harang, di ba? Lupa na mismo yung harang-harang. Ayun o, di ba? So yung timber kasi yan o, yung nakaharang na yan sa lupa, yan ganyan. Eh decades ago na daw yan, kaya medyo nabubulok na. So bibili siya ngayon ng bagong timber, si Apam. Pinagalitan ako kahapon ng gusto kasi nga babagsak. Hindi man lang ako tinulungan ni Apam kahapon diyan, hirap na hirap ako mag-ahon. Wala talaga, pinagalitan pa ako ng pinagalitan, kaya inis na inis din ako sa kanya kahapon. Tapos nang umuwi siya kasi lumabas, nagkipanay ang hingi ng sorry. Gunggong talaga. You know, tuntua ako sa aking mga sili kahit hindi ako mahilig sa... I'm not a fan of chili pepper guys because, you know, even it's not spicy. Sometimes I eat. Well, like every 2 days I eat chili pepper. The one that banana peppers that I have in my garden in the long chili pepper. It's not spicy but you know the taste, the smell, I don't like it. I like black pepper but not the chili pepper. So, late na ako nakalabas ngayon kasi nga nagluto ako ng nagluto. Tapos sawa na rin siya sa zucchini kasi zucchini squash yung ginawa kong casserole. So, ay naku, buhay farmer talaga. Nakakasawa din guys kumain ng gulay. Pero ayoko din kumain ng karne. Parang wala na akong gana sa mga pagkain. Ewan ko ba? Gusto kong pumayat. Di naman ako pumapayat guys. Hindi na nga ako makain ng kanin. Mataba pa din. Yay! I got 2 strawberries from my garden. Diba? Ayan. Makakatikim din ako for the first time. Because you know, my strawberries in the garden always got eaten by deer. So now, for the first time, I have my harvest. Nawa din sa akin. Ayan. Hugasan muna natin. Kasi syempre maalikabok. Ayan. Tikman na natin ang ating strawberry. Oh my god, this is so sweet. It's so good. I use only fertilizer I use here is the banana peel. Banana peel and eggshells. Dinurog na eggshells. It's very sweet guys. No sour taste, it's also sweet. That's the good thing when it's all organic, your garden. You know how many times got eaten my strawberries? It's like 4 times I got eaten by deer. And this is the first time I have my harvest. The first harvest, it goes to the person who come here to harvest also. I give it for free for the first time. And this is the second time harvest. Only 2 pieces right now. I'm so happy. I tasted it. It's so good. At least nakatikim ako ng aking strawberries. Harvest. Here you go guys. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, yan. So here are my harvest today after my making a bed garden for garlic. So I harvested the squash. See? And this one is like older because it's turning to golden yellow the color. This is young, a little bit younger. It's same these are same plant. So this is my harvest today, Wednesday, October 22nd. See, this is from the one plant. This 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the baby one because it's drying already the squash plants. That's why I harvest this. There's some more vegetables, squash. Some squash is still not dry up, but these are from the dried up plants, and this is the different one, the squash. This is the third harvest. The first and second harvest I give them away. So yeah, di ba? Oh, ang dami ko na namang gugulayin. Wala akong oras magulay, guys. See my harvest. And then still I have here the jumbo. See, guys? So many harvest. Oh, ayan, ang dami na nila, oh. Pag pinagsama-sama, all jumbo zucchini. See? It's half meters and it's like 3 kilos, this one. So many harvest now, the squash. This is from last week. This is the, like 2 weeks ago. It's still good. And this is from like 3 days ago. And same thing, this one from 3 days ago. And this one also, the baby zucchini. This is adult zucchini. Yeah, adult zucchini. And this is like a watermelon squash. This is the baby one. And this is the adult one. So I haven't have time to make my casserole. I should make casserole for tomorrow. Hello everyone. So right now I'm making a casserole. So I chopped up already the squash, the one butter squash, the color yellow, guys. And this is the striped zucchini, the baby one. And half of this squash. So all of these 3 kinds of squash or zucchini. And then I blended the bar cheese, the Tillamook color yellow or orange cheese with coconut milk and milk. So, you know, I always experiment. So we add that. It's gonna be creamy and super yummy, guys. I think I'm just gonna add everything. And then, because we have a lot of chorizo, pepperoni, sorry, not chorizo, pepperoni. So we're gonna add the pepperoni on the top as a flavor. So it's gonna be a little bit spicy and so yummy, yummy. Yummy-licious. Sabi ko nga, yummy-licious. Ayan. Medyo na parami lang yung sabaw or yung sauce, but it's gonna be dried up because I'm gonna oven it for like 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. It's depend if it's cooked in 20 minutes. So we're gonna take out from the oven after 20 minutes. So 20 to 30 minutes, guys, cooking in the oven. It's very simple recipe. So because we have a lot of tomatoes, see guys, this is month already in the fridge. So we use a lot of tomatoes to add on, you know, the taste. And then we're gonna add a black pepper. A nice aroma or smell, we're gonna add on top oregano. So it's gonna be nice smell. And then later when it's cooked, we're gonna add the parsley. We're gonna sprinkle the chopped parsley on the top. So it's gonna have a nice and beautiful you know, decoration. So let's put this on the oven. Oh, we still have our cinnamon bread here. Just gonna open it. And put on the, gonna put on bake, and then start. So it's gonna, now it's only 100 degrees, later it's gonna be 350 degrees. So I add already the parsley. I mixed it up, and see guys, the green air, that's the parsley. And let's get some my casserole. So I add 5 eggs, guys, on the blender. Sorry, I forgot to mention it before that I add 5 eggs on the blender. So rich in protein. Okay, now I have my breakfast, and let's put a black garlic. Here you go, my casserole a la Merlinda.